Rafi's world, hip hooray! Let's have fun and play all day! Hi, I'm Rafi. Come mix colors with me. Zoom and spin so shiny and bright, racing along with all our might. These cars are fast, we love to play. Red! Zooming here, zooming there. Our blue cars go everywhere. Like the ocean, bright and true blue. Look, my ball is yellow. My blocks are yellow too. Catch my yellow star. Boom, boom, yellow drum, yellow friends. We just learned red, blue, and yellow. Now, let's have fun mixing them to make beautiful new colors. Yellow. Red. Mix, mix, mix. Orange.
Orange cars go zooming fast. Orange fun will always last.
Orange. Orange. Purple. Yeah. Purple cars zoom so bright, racing fast, a joyful sight. Purple. Blue and yellow swirl them round. Watch the magic we have found. It's green, green, green. Green trucks zoom, jump so high, racing fast. Oh my, oh my. Green. Red and white swirl just right. Watch the magic come to light. It's pink, 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 pink. Soft and bright, such a lovely sight. This is the color that makes hearts light. Pink! Blue and white, together they glue. Mix them up, and it's light blue. Light blue! Light blue like the sky so wide. Light blue like the boat we glide. Light! Come with me, don't be slow. Let's make colors shine and glow. Red so bright, it shines in the light. Orange so bright, it's such a delight. Yellow and bright, like sunshine's light. With red and orange, it's such a sight. Green so bright, fresh and clean. With red, orange, yellow, oh, now comes green. Wow. Blue so cool, just like the sea. Now the path's more bright, come look with me. Ooh, pretty. Purple bright, like twilight's gleam. On the path, a royal dream. Wow, so pretty. Colors make the world bright. Night.
Ready to see colors shine? Let's paint a world so bright and fine.
Brush goes swoosh, home so bright. Rainbow roof, shining light. Swish, switch magic, colors fly, look! Choo-choo colors, here we go. All aboard, hello, hello. Hey friends, ready for something colorful? It's time for the Rainbow Order Challenge. Let's go. Let's put the rainbow in the right flow. Not quite, my friends.
These are right, but we still have more to fix. Yellow comes here, green goes there. Let's make the...
Almost done, just a few more to go. Indigo first, then violet last. Colors are dancing. Ready to play? Let's mix, match, and guess the right way. Red, blue, what comes next?
That's the pattern!
Red, blue, what comes next? I think we know the answer. That's the pattern. Okay, friends, it's time to go. But wait, don't feel low. More fun. Watch more fun with me. Subscribe and you'll see. Come along and play with Rafi every day.